Right, so we've got two shoes here, which I genuinely don't know what they are. I've got like a bunch of shoes sort of on a backlog. And yeah, I didn't want to check the email to see what was delivered. I wanted to check with you guys so you guys can see my actual reaction. Couple bangers, not gonna lie. Couple for the collection, couple just to review, but still damn good sneakers. Let's get down to business, shall we? Oh yes, I love, you know that sound is just beautiful. It's a Jordan. Like Katie Price, it's a Jordan. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This was on the GR Jordan 4 RM, spoiler alert, that I did previously, one of the first colorways, and oh, I hate this, bro. You know this, where they tape it. I'm not a fan of that because it ruins the box. Bit of a trick though, if you heat up the strip or sellotape, whatever it is, it kind of melts off in a way. Look at that. There's marks already. There's marks like Wahlberg. There's marks. It is the Jordan 4 RM black and white broskies. The black cats basically. They're very similar to the Nigels. Out of all the GR colorways, these are the most similar to the Nigels. And I really like how they've done this shoe. They've slimmed it down. Let's take them both out of the box. Comes with white laces as well, which is pretty good. Yeah, they've done this so much better than the other GR colorways. I don't know if you guys can actually see, but the mudguard slash toe guard has been slimmed down very nicely, as opposed to the other GRs. Like that mudguard took up half of the shoe. It just didn't look good. You know, these actually look like something different and something that we actually wanted. Although it's not the best type of material compared to the Nigels especially. The Nigels were very nice, like very underrated. This colorway though, for me, is the most wearable GR, is the best looking GR. Yes, a bit of white on the heel tab with the Nike Air, but it's pretty much a black cat. You know, it is pretty much, other than that, and obviously on the tongue. Now, I will be doing a full review to both of these shoes, but yeah, honestly, so clean, very nicely executed, especially for a GR. I keep saying it, but it's true. But yeah, I'm very impressed. For the price as well, it's a Jordan 4. It's a lot more comfier too. Like, I know people are moaning it's very narrow, but still, I mean, if you can get the sizing right, yeah, spot on. The next shoe, I genuinely don't know what it is. It could be a Jordan. It could be an Air Max. Who knows? Oh, is it what I think it is? No, it's not what I think it is. Damn it. A Jordan 1, very nice box. A very new colorway. I think these come out on the 12th. Today is the 9th. A bit early, bit of an early look. However, the review will most likely be out on the 12th or just after. It's the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, Summit White and Gym Red. Really like this box. I don't know, like, it's just different. It's shiny, it's cream, it's navy. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this one's a bit left field, but hear me out. Screams so much about me not liking the Jordan 1 Low or not being able to wear them as much as some other shoes like the highs, 3s and 4s and other shoes. But dare I say it, the Jordan 1 Low is starting to grow on me. I don't know what it is. I think they've been really taking care of the Jordan 1 Low. Even with this shoe, the materials are lovely. The navy hits, the red hits, obviously, the white and even the cream sort of off-white to the midsole. Spare laces again, navy laces. I'm gonna throw up some B-roll as well, just because, yeah, these deserve to be seen up close and personal. It's just premium, bruh. Because if this was a collaboration, you'd understand. Considering technically it's a GR, it's an OG though, so I guess they do take care of the OGs a bit more. Not the best leather on the underlays, not the best, but the overlays though, super impressed. Now this colorway is inspired by the Howard University. Same colors, I'm not too sure of it because obviously I'm from the UK. Americans, if you're, I guess, representing the uni or whatever, I think you're gonna like these. But the colorway in general, as a whole, very clean. Does give me bowling shoe vibes, can't lie, just because of the red with the navy, the whites. If you've ever been bowling, that's the sort of color scheme they go with, you know? But yeah, very clean colorway, like the materials. And as I said, for some odd reason, the Jordan 1 Low, it's grown on me. And I wish I could say the same for my hairline, but it's not the case. No, but seriously, the Jordan 1 Low is having a really good year. We've seen the likes of the Moccas, obviously Travis Scott's, they're always a winner. When Jordan Brand and Nike do take care of their shoes, like the Jordan 1 Lows, you know, Shadows, Chicago's, so many to name. But as of late, the Jordan 1 Low is really tickling my pickle. I don't know what they're doing, but maybe it's me getting in the Moccas and now I'm starting to notice them. I'm not gonna go out and buy a bunch, maybe the odd one, but yeah, out of the two that I've just picked up, very tough. The black cats do just edge it just because I'm more of a Jordan 4 guy rather than a 1, but both very clean. Top 10, maybe GRs of the year. It's gonna be a tough one, but yeah, definitely contenders. Won't lie to you, broskies. The review to both of these sneakers will be out in a couple days. Just bear with me, bruh. We've had the Unearthed 95. That was such a great stream the other day. And I'm glad to say we copped, baby. Didn't go retail. For some reason, the app was driving me loopy. Wouldn't accept the cards. They sat for a while, my size, the size 9 UK. A bit annoying. I know US, you guys wanted them. Unfortunately, it was only EU and UK. But we got them for a very good price. It was like £10 over retail. So I can't complain at all. So that's it. The link to join the Discord is down below. Also, I'm starting up a new channel, which is focusing more on tech, equipment, desk setups, content creating tips as well. I think, you know, I can share what I've learned over the years. It'll be nice to try something new. And that's pretty much it, broskies. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And yes, until the next episode, take care.